Hello everyone, we are in second part of chapter 3, A Day with Nandu, class 4 EVS section. Now we are going to elaborate the next portion of the chapter. In previous part we have discussed that the elephants are the world's largest mammals and they eat up to 100 kilograms of leaves. They do not sleep much. They love to play in mud and water. Their skin is very tight and they are very emotional animals on the earth. Now you have to find out. Nandu is only 3 months old, but he weighs 200 kilograms. What is your weight? I think your weight would be 25 to 30 kilograms, not greater than that. Now, can you find out the weight of how many children like you will add up to Nandu's weights? Yes, you have to find out how many children will be available to equalize the weight of Nandu, because Nandu is very heavy, a baby of 200 kilograms. Now we shall move forward in our next session, A Day with Nandu, and Nandu is playing in the water. As I told you, elephants like to play in the water. Let me show you something. I know you have very happy to see how a baby elephant is playing in mud and water, and some funny facts, some funny activities of a baby elephant you can be seen here. These activities are quite refreshing for the elephant herd. Now fun and games. Nandu saw his brothers and sisters pulling each other's tail. नंदू ने देखा कि कैसे उसके ब्रदर और सिस्टर एक दूसरे की पूंछों को खींच रहे थे. मीन्स दे आर मेकिंग फन ऑफ ईच अदर. ही थॉट आई बेटर नॉट गो नियर देम. What if they fell on me? क्या होगा अगर वो गलती से भी मेरे ऊपर गिर गए तो? It is a very great question that came into the mind of Nandu. What would happen if 400 kg weight comes on you? It would be quite destructing. I'm still small. He quietly went and stood near his mother. तो इसीलिए वो चुपचाप गया और अपनी मदर की साइड में खड़ा हो गया. इट मीन्स वट इट शोज दैट दे आर वेरी इंटेलिजेंट टू. वो बहुत बुद्धिमान होते हैं एलिफेंट्स. दे हैव सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर. यस, नाउ सी, अम्मा जेंटली पुश्ड नंदू टुवर्ड्स द वाटर एंड एज इफ शी वॉज टेलिंग हिम टू गो एंड प्ले. और उसकी अम्मा ने कहा जाओ तुम भी खेलो, पानी के पास जाओ. नंदू लव टू प्ले इन वाटर. His cousins were already there. I showed a video to you in which it is clearly seen. Just as he reached near, a strong fountain of water fell on his head. He got wet. जैसे ही वो उसके पास गया, एक बड़ा फाउंटेन उसके सिर पर गिर गया. मतलब काफ़ी ज़्यादा पानी गिर गया उसके सिर पे और वो भीग गया. Now we'll move Oh, this was the work of this naughty cousin. नंदू joined them in the game और नंदू उसी गेम में उनके साथ मिल गया. Before sunset, the herd started back towards the jungle. अब जैसे ही अंधेरा होने लगा वहाँ के सारे जो एलिफेंट्स थे उन्होंने वापस जाना शुरू कर दिया. By then नंदू was very tired और जब तक नंदू काफ़ी थक चुका था because he was a baby elephant. He settled himself between his mother's front leg and fell asleep as he drank her milk. अब बड़ा है वो, बहुत छोटा है, वो अपनी मदर की टांगों के बीच में आ गया और वहीं दूध पीकर सो गया. So we have learnt many things by today's journey of Nandu. We have seen the full day of Nandu in which we came to know some special kind of facts that are written here. The facts are that you have read about Nandu and the elephant herd. An elephant herd has mainly females and baby elephants. एक हर्ड में, एक ग्रुप में मेनली फीमेल्स और बेबी एलिफेंट्स होते हैं. I told you the oldest member is the leader of the herd. मैंने आपको बताया था कि जो सबसे बूढ़ा होगा उसमें, जो बूढ़ी एलिफेंट होगी वही उस हर्ड की हेड होगी. A herd may have 10 to female elephants and young ones. और फीमेल एलिफेंट 10 to 12 हो सकते हैं और कुछ छोटे बच्चे भी हो सकते हैं, स्मॉल बेबी भी हो सकते हैं. Male elephants have to leave the herd till they are 14 to 15 years old. That is very important thing. जो मेल एलिफेंट्स हैं उनको 14 to 15 years की एज में अपना वो ग्रुप छोड़ना होता है. They have to abandon the group because they have to survive by themselves only. They should be alone. Only female and young ones should be there in the group. I told you the age of elephants in India would be 60 to 70 years and age of African elephants would be 70 to 80 years. So at the age of 14 to 15 the male elephants have to leave the group. Then they leave their herd and move around alone. Nandu will also leave. नंदू को भी छोड़ना पड़ेगा जैसे ही वो थोड़ा सा बड़ा होगा. So these are the facts about Nandu and the elephant. So we'll do the same thing near like this. Like elephant, some other animals also live in groups. कुछ और भी एनिमल्स हैं जो कि ग्रुप्स में रहते हैं. These एनिमल ग्रुप्स आर कॉल्ड हर्ड. उन एनिमल्स ग्रुप को हर्ड बोला जाता है. काउज के ग्रुप को, गोट के ग्रुप को, शीप के ग्रुप को हर्ड बोला जाता है. Now you can find out the answer of these questions. Till then, we will meet in next video. Thank you very much.